A warm welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions.
Hi guys, welcome to another video on FIXtastic Contents. In this video, I will show you how you can get the root access on devices with Android 6 Plus. Of course, this method will only work if you have installed a custom recovery such as TWRP or touch fills. I am using this method on a Nougat device, but following the same method, you can get root access on any Android version. Firstly, I will download an application called Root Checker from the Google Play Store to show the device is not pre-rooted. To install the Root Checker app, open Google Play Store app, and search for Root Checker. Press install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it is installed, open up the Root Checker app, press Get Started button on the welcome screen, and then press the Verify Root button as shown in the video. So as you can see, this device is not rooted right now, so I will show how to root. Now download the file from the link available in the description. Choose the right file for your Android version, and place it anywhere on your device. And then power down the phone and boot into recovery. Once booted, press install. Select the correct storage and go to the path where you have downloaded the zip file. Select the file and slide the slider to install. It will take a while to install. Once it is installed, press reboot. and then open up the root checker app again. Press Verify Root button now and press Grant button on the root action, to see the root is successfully achieved or not. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, FIXtastic Content, for more related contents to come.